To identify and count specific cell types or structures by placing markers on an image, click the Open the Cell Counter pop-up button on the toolbar. The Available Categories section in the pop-up lists the marker categories that can be placed on the image. The default categories are positive and negative, each associated with a unique color. These categories can be customized at the user level. To add a new category, click the Create a New Marker Category icon in the Available Categories section, enter a category name, select a color, and click the Save Changes icon. To modify an existing category, click the Update Category icon next to the category to be changed, enter a new name, or update the associated color, and click the Save Changes icon. To delete a category, click the Delete Category button next to the category to be removed, and confirm the deletion. To place markers on the image, select a marker category from the available categories, and click on the image at the desired location. The Used Categories section will be populated with the selected categories, and the Statistics section will automatically update with the number of markers per category and their density. Statistics are always computed relative to the total slide area, but they can also be calculated for any pre-existing or newly placed area measurements. Clicking on a statistic item will automatically focus the viewer on the corresponding area of interest. Please note that the placement of markers cannot be modified, nor can individual markers be deleted. However, the name and color of already placed markers can be updated, and it is possible to delete all markers placed for a specific category. To modify all the placed markers belonging to a certain category, click the Update Category icon next to the category to be changed in the Used Categories section, make the necessary changes, and click the Save Changes icon. To delete all the placed markers belonging to a certain category, click the Delete Category button next to the category to be removed in the Used Categories section, and confirm the deletion.